We just completed the conservation project for the east window. We have worked on the outside of it, and there were some very interesting discoveries that we made along that journey as well. So the window as we found it was double glazed. It had secondary glazing on the outside, opaque secondary glazing. Initially we had thought that the secondary glazing was original and was put in possibly because of soundproofing or to protect the window, which didn't make a lot of sense, because if you think there's a lot of windows around there and this was the only one which had secondary glazing, so soundproofing wasn't the main issue. And also in terms of protection, it's actually a very protected location, so it didn't need the secondary glazing protection. So we did figure out that it was a later insertion done with the best of intentions, but actually it was causing potential damage to the stained glass. We came to the conclusion that actually we had to remove the secondary glazing, which we have done very carefully. What that has done is that a lot more light actually comes through the wheel window, and we've also done a very, very gentle clean of the glass from outside. It's made such a huge difference. It's made it very bright. The debris that was accumulating at the base, which was hiding the details, is now gone. And it is now very much again the focus of attention, and it's there in all its glory for us.